son to get better. Now everyone
You'll be
will do
exhausted.
this.
You're exhausted.
I sacrifice. Every bones I've got aches because of all this. This is worse than
You're
gym.
eating, you're eating.
This is worse than gym. Thank you so much, everyone, for your support. This is worse than gym, but that's why.
My face.
That's why
Oh.
my dream is
Look
to
off.
bring my son to America. Marie,
Look
thank
off.
you there.
Yes.
Thank you for your believing, guys. Thank you so much. I've already met the consultant. All I need now is just a sponsor.
Yes.
And the consultant said that
Look off. Yes.
I made John better.
Look off.
Guide me through.